afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. We have Paul and our Lord Jesus talking and praying in our readings today. And in front of the people and in front of God, they were witnesses on how they've not constrained or they've not withdrawn anything or something to these people and to God. We can say they were responsible, they were accountable. Lahat ibinigay nila, walang tinago, walang binawas, walang niloko, walang sinamantala. We've heard St. Paul reminding the presbyters around him that he has done everything to preach the Lord. Muli, walang sinayang, walang nilustay, walang niloko. Ibinigay niya ang lahat sa mga tao. He has been held accountable for everything. Ginawa niya ang lahat para maging maalam at malakas ang puso ng mga taong ito sa kanilang araw-araw na buhay. For today and in the next days, we will be hearing the high priestly prayer of Jesus. In front of his Father and in front of the apostles, Jesus prayed that he was responsible to give them the gifts necessary. He gave them time. He gave him his effort. And most of all, he gave to them the presence of his Father. He gave all for them. At magandang pagkunan po ng inspirasyon itong mga karanasan na ito, mga minamahal na kapatid. We will also face people and face God every day. Haharap tayo sa mga taong pinagkatiwalaan tayo. To people who entrusted something to us. To people who relied upon our capacities. And when it is time to face them, harapin natin sila na alam natin wala tayong niloko, wala tayong binawas, bagkus alam nating ibinigay natin ang lahat. We will also face God after each day. If we have done our duties well, we will face the Lord and examine ourselves if we have been good today, or maybe we have been complacent in life. We will face God and try to see if we've been loving all throughout our days. Just like St. Paul and Jesus, we may say that we have not withdrawn anything or hidden anything. Sa harap ng Diyos at sa harap ng tao, sana wala din tayong sinayang, itinago at niloko. May we see ourselves always giving our all, always responsible, and always accountable. Everyone and God deserves our all.